Hello everyone, we have done up to question number 10 and let us start question number 11. So you can see here y minus 3 whole square we have given. Let us compare it to a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So if we compare this, we can see here a is y and b is 3, so it must be y square minus 2 into 3 into y plus 3 square, that is 9. So it must be y square minus 6y plus 9, but we have given here y square minus 9. This is complete error, and you can circle this minus 9 full, and this is the correct form, y square minus 6y plus 9. Let us come to question number 12. As you can see here, we have given z plus 5 whole square. Let us compare it to a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here you can see a is z and b is 5, so we can write z square plus 2 into z into 5 plus 5 square, that is 25, and this will become z square plus 10z plus 25, right? So you can see from here, in the right hand side of 12th question we have given z square plus 25, so what is missing here is 10z. So this is the correct form that we have to do. We have to write the correct form, right? So there is no correction, but there is a missing term, that is plus 10z, right? So let us come to question number 13. 2a plus 3b multiplied to a minus b. This is never be solved by any identity, because 2a plus 3b and a minus b both are the different value terms. So you can multiply 2a with whole bracket a minus b, then 3b to whole bracket a minus b. So let us multiply 2a with a minus b. You will get 2a square minus 2ab. Now multiply plus 3b with a minus b. You will get 3ab minus 3b square. So let us solve. This is ab like terms, so you will write unlike term as it is, 2a square. This is plus 3ab, this is minus 2ab, so positive ab will remain minus 3b square, right? So this is the solution, but we have given only 2a square minus 3b square, so ab is missing here. So this is the correction, means one term is missing, and this is the correct form. Come to question number 14. Here you have given that a plus 4 multiplied to a plus 2. So let us compare it to x plus a into x plus b. This is an identity, that is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, right? So this is the identity we will use. You have to write this identity at first, and now start solving. This is x square means a square plus sum of these two constant terms, 4 plus 2, multiply with the variable a plus multiplication of the constant, that is 4 and 2. You will get a square plus 6a plus 8. So here you can see in the right hand side, this is a square plus 8, and there is one term is missing. You can do this one, is the correction here, that 6a is missing here, and this is the correct form. Come to question number 15. Here you can see that a minus 4 and a minus 2 we have given. We will use the previous identity, that is x plus a into x plus b. It is same as x square plus a plus b x into ab. In this we will replace positive by negative, so ultimately it will become x minus a into x minus b. This is equal to x square minus a plus b into x minus sorry, plus AB, because minus A multiplied to minus B become positive AB. So let us put the value. Instead of x we will use A, instead of A we will use 4, and instead of B we will use 2. So this must be equal to x square minus constant terms 4 and 2. We will add, multiplied it with the variable, plus 4 into 2. This is minus 4 into minus 2, that is positive 4 into 2, because minus minus become plus again. So x square minus 6x plus 8. So let me see here what we have given. A square minus 8 is completely wrong. So instead of x we were using A, so you can replace this x by A, and you will get A square minus 6a plus 8. If you have given x you can write x, if you have given a you can write a. So here you only first term is right and minus 8 is wrong, so you can circle it, and the correct form is a square minus 6a plus 8. So let us come to question number 16. As you can see, 3x square divided by 3x square, in without considering the case of zeros, means 0 by 0, only this case is indeterminate form, right? And all the other numbers, when they are divided by the same number, we will get the solution 1. Any number, any binomial, if it is, or trinomial, or any polynomial that is divided by itself, is answer as 1. So here we have given 0, so it is wrong. 3x square cut by 3x square and you will get 1. 1 will be the correct form, and this is the correction. Come to question number 17. Writing pattern, you know that how to write, because you have done 10 questions earlier in the live class also. So here we have given a binomial 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square. So a binomial cannot be cut by monomial, so we will separate the terms here. So 3x square divided by 3x square, now 1 by 3x square. So this you can cut from here, so it will become 1 plus 1 by 3x square. So this will be the solution. But here you can see we have given 1 plus 1 equal to 2, that is completely wrong. So this is incorrect form and this is correct form, 1 plus 1 by 3x square, right? So come to 18th question. Here you have given monomial in the numerator and binomial in the denominator. So we cannot do the separation like 3x by 3x and plus 3x by 2. This is completely wrong. This cannot be happened, right? So only solution is the term itself that we have given. We can write as it is, no solution will be there. So 1 by 2 is not possible, so 1 by 2 is the incorrect form, and the correct form is same, 3x by 3x plus 2 only. This is the correct form, right? This is the correct form, 3x by 3x plus 2, same. So come to 19th question. Here also you have given that 3 by 4x plus 3. Here is also monomial in the numerator and a binomial in the denominator, so we cannot separate the terms with the denominator, right? So we cannot write it is 3 by 4x plus 3 by 3 cut by. I saw many of the students do this like this. This is completely wrong. So only solution for this is 3 by 4x plus 3. No solution will be there. So this is incorrect and this is correct form. So you will circle the error and this is the correct form. Come to question number 20. As you can see from here, 4x plus 5 is a binomial and 4x is a monomial. So you can separate the terms here. So 4x divided by 4x plus 5 divided by 4x is the solution. You can cut here. So 1 plus 5 by 4x is the correct form, and you have given 5 is error. So you will circle 5 and write the correct form like 1 plus 5 by 4x. So this is the solution. Come to question number 21. So 7x plus 5 by 5. Yes, you can separate the terms because here is binomial and here is monomial. So you can separate the terms like 7x by 5 plus 5 by 5. So you can cut 5 by 5 and now you will get 7x by 5 plus 1 is the correct form. But you can see here this is only given 7x, so it is wrong, so complete error. So you can circle 7x because it is complete error, and this is the correct form, right? So that's all for today.